Hello, kids. Today we will learn about birds. Yes, different kind of birds. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Robin,
Robin,
blue jay,
blue jay,
cardinal,
cardinal,
hummingbird,
hummingbird,
penguin,
penguin,
eagle,
eagle,
owl,
owl,
parrot,
parrot,
flamingo,
flamingo,
crow,
crow,
hawk,
hawk,
eagle,
seagull,
sun,
toucan,
pelican,
pelican,
woodpecker,
woodpecker,
swan,
fawn,
duck,
duck,
peacock,
peacock,
canary,
canary,
wren,
wren,
kingfisher,
kingfisher,
chickadee,
chickadee,
falcon,
falcon,
vulture,
vulture,
albatross,
albatross,
kiwi,
kiwi,
puffin,
puffin,
goldfinch,
goldfinch,
quail,
quail,
pigeon,
pigeon,